Myself, Himmat Singh Yadav. I am Operations Manager for South Asia in Alltech. Alltech is global leader in animal health industry, and it is based in Kentucky, USA, and we have presence in more than 120 countries. And as a leader, we have some responsibility to contribute to our environment. So we are running a vision of Planet of Plenty, and here we are working towards the society, how we can contribute for the society so that we can leave something for our next generation. And we started searching who are the good player in this direction, who can give end-to-end solution of this. So we have collected quotation and we had meeting with KWp Power and other competitor also. And after reviewing all the things and confidence we got after discussing or having meeting with KWp Power, then we decided it is better to go with KWp Power. Everything has been taken care by KWp Power, and after giving the assignment to KWp Power, we were not looking what they have done, what not completed, but things were moving gradually and it was on time. When we started the net metering, it was generating around 4,600 units per day. But after cleaning the solar panels, it gone up to 5,300 or like that. So performance is very good. After giving project to KWp Power, forget everything. They will take care of each and everything. This is the one thing. Second thing, they didn't bother us for anything like they need this and that. We can say it is better to go with KWp Power and rest assured.